I will just I'll just take a few seconds, ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लूँगा आप लोगों का. अच्छा, आई थिंक ये जो प्रोसेस है जो नबील ने डिस्क्राइब किया 6 महीने पहले, बिकॉज आई बीन इन्वॉल्व इस प्रोसेस के साथ. इनकी टीम ने मुझसे बात की कि जी ये स्टैक्स और ब्लॉकचेन को हमें इंट्रोड्यूस करना है पाकिस्तान में, तो क्या मैंने कहा एक प्रोसेस होगा, वी विल हैव टू स्टार्ट समवेयर. तो पहला एक हमने वेबिनार टाइप किया जिसमें हमने कहा एक्सपर्ट्स को बुलाते हैं. और उस वक्त भी जब हमने बात की हमने कहा एक्सपर्ट्स को भी यहाँ नहीं पता कि है क्या और होना क्या है. बट वी हैड दैट फर्स्ट कॉन्वर्सेशन. उस पहली कॉन्वर्सेशन से काफ़ी चीज़ों की बातचीत हुई. वी हैड सम वेरी गुड पीपल जिनको पता था. डॉक्टर मुनीब खुद उसमें थे, कुछ और लोग थे, फैसल आफ्ताब थे. फैसल इज़ वेरी नॉलेजेबल अबाउट ब्लॉकचेन, वो थे. कुछ और लोग, यूसुफ हुसैन थे. तो सारा कुछ हुआ. बट देन नबील की जो टीम है जिनका ये यहाँ पर मैंडेट है टू डेवलप दिस होल कॉन्सेप्ट, इन्होंने इस पर बड़ी मेहनत की है और उसका आज आप ये रिजल्ट देख रहे हैं ऑफ दिस हैकाथॉन. और उसमें सो what happens when a technology is introduced in any area, in any country, in any geography, in any manner? Technology by itself eventually gets commoditized. Reality जो होती है उस टेक्नोलॉजी की is the use cases that develop, the business model that develops. मुझे जब पूछते हैं कि जी स्टार्टअप क्या है, तो मैं कहता हूँ जी स्टार्टअप जो है ना वो टेम्पररी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है लुकिंग फॉर अ बिजनेस मॉडल. ठीक है ना, उसके पहले दिन उसका बिजनेस मॉडल नहीं होता. आई हैव मेट founders. I've met one recently. They've raised more than $20 million. But he's honest enough to say, I don't really know what to do with this money. I've raised the money because I had a nice story. लेकिन आप किसके साथ कर रहा क्या है is a different issue. So blockchain, we understand, is a distributed ledger, right? The concept is of a distributed ledger. And one of the best books I came across, blockchain is called The Truth Machine. It's a very interesting word to use because every single block that you add to the chain, right, is an element of truth. जो नबील ने बात की कि जी integrity of data, right, integrity of what you're recording is a critical element. So use cases जो है ना वो हमने define करने हैं. And because now the technology is here, so legislation or the thinking of the regulators will align with it. So let's take just a couple of examples, right? Land records. Property is one of the biggest issues anywhere. And we all know that when you go to buy a piece of land, there are always questions. इसकी मिल्कियत है किसकी? इसकी ओनरशिप है किसकी? पटवारी का जो इंफॉर्मेशन है 300-400 साल पुरानी जो रिकॉर्ड करता आ रहा है उसमें टैंपरिंग कितनी हुई है. ठीक है, अगर ब्लॉकचेन पे होगी तो कोई टैंपरिंग नहीं हो सकती. ठीक है ना. सिंपल एग्जांपल, यूनिवर्सिटी डिग्रीज. Why are our university degrees not on blockchains? I know that IBS Sakhar has done it. Okay, and they did it a couple of years ago. What does it do? It makes it so simple. 30 seconds and your degree is verified. It's already verified. It's already in the form of truth, available, recorded. Nobody now needs to put a stamp on it and say verified. Right? So that's the second use case. So when you start thinking, everybody thinks blockchain, crypto. Yes, crypto has been one of the biggest use cases. Even internationally, blockchain has found use cases. I remember some years ago, Barclays Bank moved all its export contracts onto a blockchain. So smart contracts की बात हो रही है. And how do you preserve a contract between two parties or a contract between more than one party? Right? So how do you preserve the integrity of that contract to the ultimate degree? मैं छोटा सा एक आपको एग्जांपल देता हूं. अगर आप अकबरी मंडी जाएं या शालमी मार्केट जाएं तो वहां पर बिलियंस की ट्रांजैक्शंस होती हैं, पर्ची पे होती हैं. टू मी दैट पर्ची is actually a very primitive form of a blockchain because that is again tamper proof. ठीक है ना, उसकी preservation होती है. It's a small little example. It may not have that absolute extreme parallel, but it happens. Right? So information is currency. Fiat information जो हम कहते हैं, जो हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं, जो currency notes होते हैं, is also information. But that information is actually, there is somebody, there is a central authority that gives that information value. वो जो लिखा होता है नोट पे कि 1000 अदा किए जाएंगे, ठीक है ना, और गवर्नर स्टेट बैंक का सिग्नेचर होता है, तो इंफॉर्मेशन ही है ना, ये 10 रुपए का नोट है, दैट इज द इंफॉर्मेशन. बट इफ यू लुक बैक, अगर आप पीछे 10 साल पीछे, बल्कि उससे भी ज्यादा जाएंगे, almost 90% of your transactions are already in the form of data. You write a check, you do a bank transfer, right? Post office की मैं बात करता हूँ कि first fintech was post office, right? Post office was sending moneygrams in 1947 also. अब हम बात कर रहे हैं fintechs की और वो सारी चीजें. So in the, let's say, the area of financial technology, blockchain will play a very major role. It's wonderful to see this community. I think amazing job, Nabil. You and your team, fantastic job. Hearing the number of universities that are participating, hearing the number of people who are here. Not everybody is from Lahore. बहुत जबरदस्त चीज है. There is a thinking in this government. I'm not part of the government, but I have access to the government. तो मुझे ये पता है, और नबील और मैं मिलके कुछ काम कर रहे हैं, कि there is a thinking that it is the young people of Pakistan, it is yourselves, that is who are going to make all the difference, right? Not just in the number of votes you will cast, but in everything else that you will also do. You cannot, there's a very, very clear thinking that human asset development is the singular thing that this country needs to do right now, right? Which means create opportunity for young people to realize their ambitions, right? In whichever way form. मेरे पास बड़ी interesting चीजें आती. One day I will get a message from a researcher who's doing his PhD and he's talking about, and he wants to know कि जी अच्छा इसका क्या हो सकता है, can it commercialize and all. Next day I'll get a message from somebody who says, I'm out of a job, right? मैं कुछ करना चाहता हूँ. So I say, अच्छा क्या करना चाहते हैं? मैं जी सोच रहा हूँ सब्जी का ठेला लगा लूँ. Literally, I'm not kidding, right? There is a thinking, yeah, I do something. I was in Kyrgyzstan for 1 month, and I observed. I did not see a single beggar. I saw, in fact, I did see 2. In those 30 days, everybody is doing something. Everybody is doing something, right? So just in a simplistic way, I'm explaining this. कि क्या करना है? You are all privileged. I always tell people, वो कहते जी आपकी qualification क्या है? I have a single qualification. I never went to university. I don't have a degree, which means I'm free to think whichever way I want, right? So I follow the philosophy of Einstein, which means imagination is far more important than knowledge. Yes, knowledge is important. You need to learn languages. You need to learn clarity. You need to learn similarity to be able to develop the technology, that is a requirement. It's the grammar, it's the language, it's the syntax, जिस पे आप वो develop करेंगे. But the more important thing is what you can imagine and create. What is that one use case that you can create, which is that killer use case? Is it the last mile? Is it fintech? Is it integrity of data to a form that it has more value? It has X plus value because of that factor of integrity and that factor of truth.